Hello there, my name is Rafael Bravo and I'm presenting you my project Vendedor Web, which means Web Salesman. Before presenting my project, I will introduce myself. I'm a bachelor in psychology with a degree on business psychology. I've passed most of my professional life developing applications and services to improve the relationship between companies and their customers. In this area, my first achievement was the creation of the website reclamos.cl. This site has become a very relevant Chilean site which allows customers to comment about products and services in the Chilean market. Today, this site has established as the leading reference for customers with more than 2 million page views a month. After the creation of reclamos.cl, I founded a consulting company focused on dealing with large customer bases. Using customer profiling, segmentation, and predictive analysis, we developed direct marketing strategies for customers' retention and incorporation, with great results. Since both my goals and initiatives, I've been invited to workshops, universities, NGOs to talk about entrepreneurship, customer trends, sales, and public relations and PR on the internet. To take advantage of this expertise on customers, I've devoted the last 6 months developing this project, Web Salesman, which helps companies to drastically increase the number of commercial prospects. Now talking about the project, most of the companies deal with constant difficulties to approach the niche of market where their potential customers are. One of the best tools for achieving this goal is the corporate website, place which generally receives visits of people interested in their product or service. Unfortunately, web pages are inherently passive and require the visitor to take initiative to contact the company via forms or other mechanisms. Only 1 or 2% of website visitors fill forms or identify themselves, leaving 97–98% of potential customers anonymous. In other words, websites are like stores with many visitors but no salesperson. Vendedor Web is a service whose main objective is to transform those anonymous visitors into customers with a name, contact information, and a specific request. It achieves it with a proactive chat specially designed to welcome visitors and inviting them to talk. If the visitor replies, the chat is then managed by our sales representatives. In our experience, depending on the type of the company or industry, between a 10% and a 40% of website visitors engage in conversation after our chat invitation. As a result of this, the conversion rate from anonymous visitors to potential clients increased dramatically in comparison with passive websites. The rentability of our clients' websites had increased in an average of 500%. Furthermore, one of our clients generates now the 40% of their sales through our service. Today, our service is operative and giving services to 6 companies. It's working great. We are very interested in being part of Startup Chile, sharing and learning from others' experience. And why not using your funding to allow us settle in Chile and grow as the market is requesting us. Hope you have time to read the rest of our documentation. Hope my English is understandable. Hope you have a nice day. Hope we'll see you soon. Goodbye.